Oh, friggin' rights, boys. Friggin' winter is friggin' inwood. Even though I quit outside, I keep having to go outside. It's been like over 2 weeks. I tell him this guy's got to go, and he's still here. So that's pretty cool. I'm like a really big fan of that, you know what I mean? What are you doing? Still got fucking vacuum in here. What are you doing?
Oh, well, I'm getting my shit ready. I need to get an internet that's gonna find the
So how much longer you need?
Oh, I won't, not that much longer. I got most of the stuff piled up in there. The internet, just a Flying J or a church. I'm trying to get a listing on those. That way I'll know where to park, and I can look at the parking lot and see like the actual size of it and if it's like sensible. I'm almost thinking a church.
Oh, right on.
If they don't kick you out, they usually, you know what I mean? They're usually pretty good.
Well, let's not make this take fucking forever, right? Like, let's get our shit packed up and we'll get a tow truck out here and take you wherever you're going.
Okay, I can't really hear you, but...
I says, fucking, let's get your shit together. We'll get your shit packed up here and fucking get a tow truck and take you wherever you're going.
Yeah, that's the thing. So how much do you think it'd be to Sarnia?
How much what?
Like, would it cost to tow it to Sarnia?
Oh, I don't know. I'll just CAA you. Won't cost anything.
Really?
What do you mean? If you pay $100 and get CAA plus RV, it'll be like, you know, 140 bucks, and you get 4 tows. 4 tows, 200 kilometers. So I'll use one of my tows to take you wherever the fuck you want to go within 200 kilometers. But, you know, we got to do this today. What the fuck is that?
How much is that? You said how much?
I don't know, 140 bucks. I don't know. My grandpa used to buy it for me every year for Christmas before he died. So I don't know. I haven't bought it in a long time.
You think Buddy would have told me that, the tow truck guy? Like my old landlord?
Well, he probably doesn't work for CAA. I don't know.
Well, I mean, he didn't break me over the fold or nothing, but fuck, man, like, you know, 50 bucks or something. Fuck, that's way cheaper. Holy shit.
Well, once you use all your 4 tows, you got to wait a year to fucking use it again, right?
Okay, so it's for a year, but still, that's the odds of you needing 4 tows a year, man. Like, you know, on regular use for like a regular car.
Yeah, I used to use it all the time. Like, I'd drive to, you know, Toronto and be tired and just, you know, wait half an hour for a tow truck and have them tow me home. Tell them, oh, my truck's overheating or the brakes, or you know what I mean? Just tell them whatever.
Because they don't care, right? They just
yeah, they don't give a fuck. They're, you know what I mean? Yeah. The thing with CAA though is 9 times out of 10 you got to wait like 8-10 hours because they're just they don't even want to. You know what I mean? Because like if you're paying them, you call the guy, hey, I need a tow truck and I'm going to pay you, and then he comes right now. But if you're like, oh, CAA, and then they're like, oh, fuck. So then they'll do whatever the fuck they can to not do it, yeah. And then
it makes sense
when they, you know, because they got to wait like weeks and shit for CAA to pay them. You know what I mean? But what you can do too is call your whatever tow truck you want, get towed, and then get CAA to reimburse you for the tow costs, right?
Okay.
But either way.
Battery shit too, I heard, like, you know, if your battery's dead or something, they replace it or something.
Well, they'll bring you fuel if you run out of fuel. You got to pay for the gas, right? But they'll bring you gas or bring you you know what I mean? Boost you, whatever you fucking need. But that counts as a tow. You get like 4 service calls.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
The ex had it, but I never asked a whole lot. All she said is that if anything went wrong, so you just, you know, like with the van,
yeah.
You can just CAA and you just tow it, right?
Yeah.
But she never told me about that. Shit, that's
But let's do way less fucking around. Let's get your shit packed up, get that trailer fucking cleaned out, and fucking.
Yeah, I got the pack in here. This thing's freaking all fucking packed up, and I got some shit there, so I won't be long. It'll probably take me, because I've already got most of it. It'll probably take me maybe an hour to load it all up there and strap it down. I don't have much stuff now because you got you got half of it.
Right on.
This half the way.
Okay, let me know when you're ready and I'll get the tow truck here. Sakes. Just laying in the fucking trailer, van all fucking day. What the fuck's wrong with you? Told him 2 fucking days ago or 3 days ago to fucking tow truck's coming today. And it's 3 days goes by. And all he's got is these fucking propane tanks that I give him. You know? I think he bought 2 of them. But any full tanks I had, I just said, here, have them. I don't go, fuck. Do I need that shit for? But I'm getting a kick out of the speculatory commentations you guys are leaving too about how dreadful it is in Inwood and stuff. But see, the thing I've learned about the hobos is, you know, you can only offer a grown man a shower and stuff, you know, so many times. But he said he's got a Rubbermaid bin that he's got for a bath in there. So, like, I don't know, man. It's not my thing. I haven't seen it, but we should definitely try to do a tour of his facilities before he's on his words. That'd be fucking great. Holy f***, it's almost ready to fire up, dude. What happened?
Oh, water pump box.
Water pump box?
Yeah, it's brand new, painted, and fucking to the nines, right? I wanted to put this in there and then put it in there because I lost my spot because my big, huge fucking tub, the container, massive, biggest one I've ever seen, is the tub now. So like,
that's where you wash your asshole?
Yeah, it's this high. Like, I can fucking almost lay down in it. Is it big, right? It held a sump pump this fucking high and it just fit right in there. Around like an idiot because you gotta like go like this.
Yeah.
And then they had the 3-valve version of it and Triton and shit. It's the worst piece of junk I've ever seen. And it's still a 4.6. Lost blackout. Anything lost.
You just wipe out?
What's that?
What happened?
I fucking was putting the box stuff on there, and there's the bumper, then there's that step I made, it's gloss, and I had this cover. What you see is on the back, there's a piece like this, and it's razor sharp. I made it in silver. So I stepped up, and I slipped off, and from here to here, right here, I was bleeding, because I could feel it more. It just went.
That's a great design.
Yeah. And then the top is so slippery, fucking hands can't even stay. It's just like this. It's like wax.
Oh
Because
dear.
it's stainless steel painted fucking gloss. Stupid idea. Up there is dangerous. I think I might.
Oh, let's see if we can find some nuts and bolts, eh? That'd be great. I don't have any new ones, so this will be fun.
Wow.
Oh, f me in the eye.